Alrighty, welcome back, everybody. Sorry about the microphone. Welcome back once again. I'm making this video for the simple fact it's only going to be a couple-minute video. I put up a video about Microsoft and Clipchamp. I've been sitting for the last couple hours thinking about it, and I do apologize, but I'm taking down the video. The reason why I'm taking down the video, because that's not what my channel's about. My channel's not to spread hatred or anything else. So, I thought about it, and I do apologize, everybody, and I really do. But that's not the kind of video I wanted to do. You know, just because it didn't work for me, you know, and I understand, you know, Microsoft has their hiccups and everything else, and, you know, it might just be a hiccup, and I really thought about this, you know, so I decided to take it down. And I do apologize for putting it up. I should have really thought about it and considered the fact that it could be having hiccups or something like that. I was talking with a friend, and that was brought to my attention. That, you know, what if the program is having a hiccup? What if your computer's having a hiccup? You know, that's the reason why it was doing what it was doing. But also, too, I brought to my friend's attention, I said, look, it's an app. The actual program's not on your computer. It's on their computer. So it could be having a hiccup. You never know. So I'm going to give it a couple days. And if it straightens itself out, then I'll let you all know. But for right now, I took down that video, and I'm putting this one up in its place. And like I said, I do apologize to everybody, because I don't want any bad blood going through the community, you know, for a hiccup. And if I make a mistake, I'm going to admit to it. You know, sure enough, if I make a mistake, I'm going to admit to it. And I'm going to let you all know that. So there's no bad repercussions or anything else. And no, Microsoft did not contact me and say anything to me about this. This is me being the adult in the room and taking responsibility, and, you know, going to give it a couple days to see what happens. And if it irons itself out, I will let you know. And that way we can go from there. But I'm not going to pursue this right now until I'm going to give it a couple days, and I'm not going to pursue this. So if it doesn't get fixed, I'll take a next step, and I'll contact Microsoft personally and send them an email and say, hey, I need to find out what your intentions are with this program. Is it a temporary thing, or is this a permanent basic free thing? Or do you plan on, you know, making everybody pay for a certain limited time? Or, you know, find out, get to the heart of the problem, if that is the problem. But I'm not going to do anything for the next couple days. And that way, you know, I can see if it clears up. Now, if it clears up, I'm going to tell you. Then I'm going to get on here and say, you know what? This is my findings, and apologize again for it, and be done. Okay? Simple as that. But I'm making this video just to let you know what's going to be happening and the reason why I took down the video. So, but if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for everything you do from the beginning to the end. And it is much appreciated. So until the next time, and don't forget, tomorrow is Graphics Card Nightmares right here on JJ's PC Builds. So until the next time and next video, we will see you on the next one.